Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are staying at Center Parcs in Sherwood Forest. We're staying here in this lodge. It's a 4-bedroomed lodge number 119. So let's have a look around. So as you come in to the lodge, you've got 2 rooms here. I think this first room is just for storage. Quite a big room. In the second room there's a toilet, and as we enter into the room you can see we've got a big dining table, kitchen area, large living room. So this is 4 bedrooms, 2 rooms with double beds, 2 rooms with 2 single beds. Here we go into the first bedroom. It's got a large double bed, bedside tables with USB charging ports. As we come round, there's a large wardrobe, a large mirror space. And into the first bathroom with a bath and a shower. And then into the second bedroom, which again has a double bed. Nice views out into the woodland area and onto the patio. This one again has a large wardrobe, lots of shelving and a TV, as well as a dressing table with a big mirror. And here's the second bathroom. This one just has a shower and a sink. No toilets in this one. And then into one of the 2 bedrooms with 2 single beds, which is ideal for our 2 young children. So we're staying here, my wife and I, our 2 young children, my older son and my mother. So a full family affair going on here. So as you can see in this bedroom there's another bedside table, wardrobe. Looking out again into the woodland. You got the usual facilities in a Center Parcs kitchen. You got the oven, the microwave. It's actually got 2 fridge freezers in this one. The usual teapot, kettle, toaster and a coffee machine. And then finally onto the last bedroom. See, the kids are already having fun. This is the final 2 single bed bedroom, similar to the other one. Wow, look at the wildlife. Kids are knocking at the windows. So out onto the patio area, there's a table and chairs and a barbecue leading out into the woodland area.